Hello subscriber and viewer, once again I came back in tutorial number 12. So before seeing this tutorial, I just tell you please see my previous tutorial so that you will understand this tutorial easily, because in the previous tutorial also I explained some part of table tag and remaining part we will see in this tutorial. So first we will see attributes of TD and TH. So if you don't know TD and TH as well as TR tag, you should see my previous tutorial. I'm not going to explain again. So these TD and TH tag, they are used to add the cell content. So here TH tag will add the table heading like name, roll number, address, and TD will add all these individual cell values. Okay. So first attribute is align attribute. Its value is suppose center. Okay. You can set value left, right as well. Just as a sample I have given value center. So align can be center. So that attribute you can use with TD and TH tag. Suppose this is the name value, you want to shift in right or left or center, you use the which attribute? Align attribute. Second, background. Background means if you want to give background to particular cell, then you use this attribute. BG color, if you want to give color to particular cell or particular row, then you use BG color. We already discussed. Width we rarely use. If you want to say change size of particular column or row, then you may use width, but we rarely use, because for changing the width and height we generally use this attribute in table tag. Row span and call span, very important attribute. So you just see the arrow direction. Row span means this particular cell, it consists of 2 row. It means row span equal to 2. If it consists of 3 row, then row span equal to 3. Here it consists of 2 rows, so value is 2. Call span. Call span value is 2. Means if you see this cell, it is containing 2 columns. It is containing 2 columns. So that's why call span equal to 2. So we will see in the code, so you will understand easily. We align attribute having value top, bottom and middle. So here if you see this value, suppose it is now top side, but you can keep bottom and you can keep middle also by using V align, means it will shift the alignment vertically, top, middle and bottom, like that. One more point is about TR tag. All the attributes are common to TR except row and call span. That is important point. Okay. So now we will use these maximum attributes in the HTML code. So here I open the notepad and going to create table. So for that you can directly write table tag. I am not going to write HTML and all tag because your web browser directly take this. Closing table tag. Here you have to specify border equals to suppose 2. So means the table border size is 2. After that you have to specify first row. For that you use TR tag. You immediately write closing TR tag. After that you have to use which tag? TD tag for giving cell heading. TH, suppose name, closing TH. So in this way. Then I copy this for saving coding effort. Control V again. Here you change the value, roll number, and here you write address. Okay. So first value is name within th tag. Second value, do changes here, roll number in th tag, and third is address. So this is our first entire row. Hit on save. Here I give file name, save as, suppose name is table.html. All files you have to select and hit on save button. So table is created, table file, table.html. You see the first row is created. Okay. Increase size. So this is our first row. Just minimize, going into my notepad file. So I am going to create second row. Control C, Control V. Here you use TD tag now. Here my first value is suppose name. I am writing my name. You can write your name also, no problem. Again you have to copy same code for adding second cell. Control V, Control V. So the first value is Suraj within TD tag. Second value should be different roll number. Suppose 1. Third value address. My address is Ramtek because I belong to Ramtek. In this way you can create third also. Suppose I am writing Manoj. Here I am specifying 2. He also belong to suppose Ramtek. So again save. Here our file is table.html. So this is our output. Total 3 rows are there. Okay. Increase the size also. Here already increase. So this is our output. Now we do some changes in program. This is our file. So this tr tag belong to first row, this is second row, and this is third row. So we are going to use some attribute that we discuss in presentation. First, align is center, very common attribute. Suppose what happen if I increase width and height. Width equal to suppose 300. Height equal to, again I am keeping same 3. Now we just save. Check the output here. You see our table is looking like that. Going into again coding. Here my name value is present in th. So suppose I write align. Align equals to left. What will happen, friend? This name will be left align. You see it is left align. So in this way you can use in TD, TR or TH tag. No problem. Now after that, background. So here only I am using again background. Background equals to, you have to specify file name. For example, here a.png is present in the same location, so you can directly write. We are already discussed with this for the image tag tutorial. Now save. So refresh. You see the layout is, that image is coming, it is quite big. So that's why it is not completely coming. You can crop that image so that it will look better. But here I am showing you how the image will come. Now going into program. So next attribute is bg color. Bg color equal to pink. Suppose I am using in tr tag. Suppose this is our second. Bg color equals to pink. So I am using in tr, so it will be applicable to entire row. Save button. You see that is pink. So in this way you can easily use in td, tr or th tag. If you use in tr tag, it will be applicable to entire row. If you use in td or th, it will be applicable to particular cell only. Next one is width. I am not going to use because we rarely use that. If you want, you just try to use that. I am going to use row span. It is very important. Row span means your output will look like that. It will consist of more than one row. So row span. So this is our coding. So row span I am going to use here because this place is repeated 2 times. So I want in 2 row. So this RAM tag is present in td tag. So I am writing row span equals to 2. Means it's going to create 2 row. Where I use here row span equals to 2. So if you are using this, you have to delete that specific downside cell, because in this RAM tag what happened, this is our output. We want to combine both the cells, so ultimately you have to delete that cell, then only it will look proper, because we are going to merge these two. So this is my program, so I have to delete this one. File, save, minimize. This is my output. Refresh. You see it's happening. Okay. So in this way you have to use. Now I am going to use call span. I use row span. Now call span I am going to use here. Where is my this value Suraj? Maximize. This is my first row, second row. Here the Suraj value is there. Okay. So here I am going to use call span. It's somewhat difficult to use, but not difficult if your concept clear. So I am going to combine 2 columns. This column and this column, means I am going to combine this Suraj and one value. So for this you have to delete next value td1. Simply delete, so both the column will be combined. Save, go here, and it's combined. Okay, so in this way you use call and row span. Finally, final attribute is v-align. V-align you can use here or here. So going into coding, here I am using v-align. V-align is top, means that value will be shifted in top direction. File, save. Here our output was there. You see it is going in top. In this way you can use middle and bottom also. So finally we have discussed all the attributes. Okay, we have discussed all. So I hope you understood all the attribute, and I request you please practice, because only if you see video you will not understand 100%. So if you are programmer, then you please practice this in notepad, and you require practice particularly for this attribute, because whenever you use row and call span you have to delete particular row and column. Okay, then it will work perfectly. So I have shown you how you can use row and call span. These are the important attribute. So you just practice. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So you please subscribe my channel. Thank you.